Welcome back to another episode of Mazda Maintenance 101. I, of course, am your certified technician, Joseph, and I'll still be helping you out with this. So today we're going to go over dashboard lights, what they are and how to reset them. So if you follow me, first we'll talk about your tire pressure monitoring system, also known as a TPMS light. If you're curious to what a TPMS sensor is, they are sensors in your wheels that let you know what your tire pressure is. Depending on what kind of sensor they are, they read differently. In this Mazda, we have a light and a set button. So when the light flashes this symbol, that means that your tire pressure is off. And so in this Mazda, whenever you have your tires rotated, you add air, you change them, you have to hit this so the computer knows to reprogram. Now if you start driving and that light comes back on, you're gonna need to get your tires serviced. There's probably an issue somewhere. Or if you pick it up from the dealership or a shop or somewhere and that light comes on, go ahead and reset it, drive it for a while, and it'll probably stay off. So another light we could talk about here real quick is this blue light. This just basically tells you your engine's still pretty cold and it hasn't quite warmed up yet. So when that light goes away, you know you're good to go ahead and slam that gas pedal and get to moving. So before that, you kind of want to take it a little easy. All right, let's take a look at our system here. Anybody with an infotainment system is going to have the ability to go over to maintenance. And that's the lights we're going to talk about next. So your maintenance lights deal with your tire rotation, your oil change, and whether you're scheduled out at 4 months. So 4 months or 5,000 miles, that's our recommendation for oil changes. And this schedule will let you know when you hit that time or the mileage, depending on which one's first. And if you just set these two, what it'll do is it'll hit it the second you hit that mileage. And you can turn these systems, these reminders on and off. Of course, we always put a sticker up in here and reset you here. And the light that comes on, it looks like a wrench. And so it's just basically a yellow wrench that comes on to letting you know it's probably about time to do maintenance. I encourage you to get used to this infotainment system, to kind of use your book and go through here. There's another thing I'd like to show you here. If you take a look, the way to get to this is settings. And of course this is touchscreen too, so in your settings, you can always come down here and look at about, and you can see your version. So this car is running the latest update for CMUs. If you want to stay current on your software version for your CMU, we can always update that as new software comes out. A lot of people are still running 55s, and you can see we're already up to 70. So well, that's all I got for you today. Just want to say thank you for joining us here at Mazda Maintenance 101, and can't wait to see you next week.